Hello there, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox my Lookfantastic November. Wow. So if you guys are curious to see what we got this month, then keep on watching. Oh my god, November already, I failed. Oh, it's cute. And it looks like this, and wow, it matches my backdrop. I have this fluffy backdrop today, and actually this is supposed to be a rug. My friend, don't be like me. Don't buy rugs online. Now I have to use it as a backdrop because it doesn't feel like a rug. Anyway, so it looks like this. Is very cute, and it's pretty heavy. Let's see what we have inside. Let's see what it says here. Hygge known. Oh god. A quality of cussiness and comfortable conviviality that creates a feeling of contentment or well-being. Oh god. Wow. Don't mind me. But that sounds super super funny, like, oh god. Hygge. Okay, so we have the info card or info magazine. Then we have the Elle magazine. Who is this beauty? Sienna Miller. I don't know her. Louis Vuitton. Isn't this beautiful? Like, this is a present from me to me. I'll take that. Oh, okay. I'm excited. Okay, let's start with this Konjac Sponge charcoal. So this is by the brand So Eco. And what else we've got from this brand? I think we got something from this brand last month. So Eco. I don't know, but sounds very familiar. The face of responsible beauty. This is what I like to hear. Okay. Oh, this is moist. This product is 100% biodegradable, well, it acts as a gentle exfoliator. This charcoal infused sponge is ideal for someone with oily skin. I have dry skin, but I think this will work for me as well. Okay, let's see how much this costs. So this is £7 and around 10 euros, if I'm not wrong. I did use konjac sponges before. They work nice on my skin. When they dry out, they get super hard, so you have to put that under the water to absorb the moist to get fluffy again. But I do prefer a spinning brush. I feel like that works 100 times better in terms of exfoliating the skin. Moving on. So I have some green products in here. I think I'm going to go with this little guy. This is from Dr. Botanicals. It says Hemp Infused Natural Nutrition Moisturiser. Apply in the morning after cleansing and applying your serum. This retails for £12 and that's like 15 euros or so. And let's see how they smell because I'm curious. Oh, it's sealed, which is nice. Oh, it's green. Oh, it smells like herbs. Oh, it smells very nice. I like it. So this is this is a moisturizer infused with hemp seed oil and cocoa butter. This day moisturizer protects, nourishes, and hydrates the complexion, containing 2%. Only 2% hemp seed oil. This whipped moisturizer provides essential fatty acids that help provide the skin with essential vitamins and minerals. interesting. It smells good. I like it. Okay, next I'll go with this green glove. What? This is a beauty mask. Intense Nourishment Plus Innovative Glove Mask. I thought this was a sheet mask for my face, not for my hands. This retails £9.99, and that's like, I don't know, 12 euros or so. So this is a hand mask for intense nourishment. This unique mask soothes and moisturizes the hands. A unique biocellulose glove inspired by a multi-layered kimono. This hand mask is saturated in a formula rich in shea butter, aloe vera and hyaluronic acid to promote supple and smooth skin. Wow! Wow! I never used a sheet mask for my hands. That's cute. Okay, moving on, we have this little guy from NUXE, I don't know how to pronounce this, and this is the multi-purpose nourishing oil face, body, hair. Nourishes, repairs, leaves a satin finish. Never tried their products before. I'm excited. It doesn't smell, or I can't smell it. Okay, let's see. It has like a subtle scent. Oh wow, yeah. I smell that. Chamomile, maybe? Oh wow, it smells delicious actually. I'm excited for this one because, as I said, I never tried their products and I'm seeing them all over the internet, especially that shimmery oil for the body. Wow. This is worth £4.50, and I'm guessing this size, and this has 10 milliliters. In just one step, achieve nourished, softer and comfortable skin. This rich oil nourishes, repairs and leaves a satin finish, able to be used on face, body and hair. Okay, so moving on, I have only 2 more products left. I'm going to go with this ESPA. This is Natural Beauty Inner Calm Smooth and Firm Body Butter. Intensely rich body moisturizer to smooth and tone. What are you saying? Look fantastic. What are you saying? What? So this is £8.33, and I'm guessing this size. I don't know exactly, but lather the body in this nourishing body butter, leaving skin soft and supple, enriched with hydrating lurch and smoothing pumpkin seed extract. This body butter deeply moisturizes and evens skin tone, so I can use it on my face. Delicately fragranced with rose, patchouli and mandarin essential oils, indulge in a moment of self-care with this body butter. Let me smell it. Patchouli and mandarin. Wow. This is not sealed, by the way. Yeah, it smells nice. Okay, and last but not least, we have this little thing that I don't know what this is. This is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. Wow. This works. Oh, I know this brand. This works. So this is by the brand This Works, because this works, right? Spray onto pillow before bedtime. Cautions for adults only. Okay. So this is by the brand This Works. Okay. Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. 10 milliliters worth £8. A little bit expensive if I say so myself. Anyway, get a great night's sleep with this pillow spray, proven to help you fall asleep quicker and wake up feeling refreshed. Infused with a super blend of lavender, vetiver and chamomile. This pillow spray helps to calm mind and body. Soothing you to sleep. How to use: spray a fine mist over your pillow before you go to sleep. Can I spray this on me? I just want to smell it. Oh, smells kind of weird. I can smell the lavender, but it smells like rotten. Anyway, I will try this tonight to see if I fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed. Alright guys, so this completes this unboxing. I have to say that I am not as excited as I was last month, but it's okay. I guess this month is all about skincare and how to keep the skin moisturized, because you know, it's winter, it's cold outside, the skin tends to get more dry, more flaky, so we have to take care of that. Also, we have to go to sleep earlier, because actually at 5 p.m. it's already dark outside, so this will help you fall asleep faster. Yeah, I'm a little bit extra in today's video, but don't mind me. So I'm excited to try these two products. Let me know down below what is your favorite product from this month. And also I'm curious to see how these gloves work, like, okay. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what do you think, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. This happens to me for being shady. I need some water and lemon. Hello there. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Jesus Christ. Okay.